Hi guys, my name is Kanika from Trechy.com. I'm the marketing head here at Trechy, and I'm here to tell you that we can help you grow your fashion and lifestyle business 10 times. Yes, you heard that right. I said 10 times. No matter what your business is making, no matter what your revenue is, we can help you increase it 10 times. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's talk about what we do. Trechy.com is a tech-driven business. We build brands, we develop brand-centered strategies, and we'll help your brand achieve the vision and mission that you see for your brand by providing it the 10x growth that you want. We have built 57 new brands in fashion category since 2014. 57 new brands. Ajio, Whistler, Sadigi, Being Fab, Fasense, Your Sense are few of the feathers in our Trechy cap. So if you want to build a brand, or you want 10x growth for your existing brand, we can help you. We are here for you. We can do it for you. As a matter of fact, we have done for many others. You don't believe me? I have only one word for you, and that is Texco. You know, Texco didn't believe us back then when we said we could do it. We have grown Texco into a 36 crore revenue generating brand it is today. We knew what we were promising back then, and we delivered it as well. But there's more to the story, which you will hear it from the founder of Texco himself, Mr. in our next video. How Texco became the brand it is today and their journey with us. So stay tuned. But before you go, I have a question for you. Do you want to create the next big brand? Let's talk about your vision, because we're going to make it our mission, that's for sure. Our contact details are mentioned in the description below. So do contact us. Don't wait any longer, and let's build a brand together.